Next, let's look at homepage settings over here. So this is an important part of the WordPress settings. It allows you to change the display on your homepage, which is this one. You can either have a static page like what you're seeing here, or you could set your homepage to show your latest posts. If I select this, you could see that immediately the homepage changes to display my latest posts. But we're not going to do that for now. We're just going to change to a static page like this. Looks much better this way. And for the post page, we're going to set it as blog. We created this page here called blog, which actually was created by the Zariflight team by default. So it actually links this page as a post page like this. This URL here basically lists down all your posts on one page as a list.